Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here again today.
It's great to see you too, David. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I had a big breakfast today.
A big breakfast? That's a great start to the day.
Yes, I'm full and ready to work.
Perfect, because today's topic is all about work.
Oh, work. Work, work, work.
Yes, today we are talking about English for work made easy.
Oh, that's great. I think a lot of people need English at work.
Exactly. We'll show you how to use simple, polite, and friendly English at your job. And we'll have some fun, too.
Good. I like fun at work.
So before we start, everyone watching or listening, please click the like button and subscribe to Daily English Practice Channel.
Yes, please. It really helps us make more fun English lessons for you.
And share this episode with your friends who use English at work.
Okay, Anna. I am ready. English for work. Let's go.
Let's start at the beginning. Before you work, you need to get the job.
Ah, yes, the interview.
Correct. Do you like interviews, David?
No, they make me nervous. My hands are cold.
It's okay. Everyone feels nervous, but we can make it easy.
Please do. Easy is good.
Okay, tip number 1, prepare.
Prepare? What does that mean?
It means practice. Practice your answers before the interview.
Oh, practice my English.
Yes. For example, the question, tell me about yourself.
Oh no, that's a big question.
It's okay. Your answer can be simple. You can say, my name is David. I am a teacher. I like helping people.
Oh, easy. My name's David. I am a podcast host. I like coffee.
Maybe say, I like talking to people instead of coffee.
Okay, I like talking to people. Wow, I sound professional.
You can practice that at home,
How?
in front of a mirror.
Hello, Mir. My name is David. Haha.
Perfect. Practice your smile too.
I will smile at the mirror every day.
Now, another question. Why do you want this job?
Because I need money.
Maybe not that answer. Try something positive.
Positive. Okay. I like your company. You make good coffee.
Good. You can say, I like your company. You do great work.
I will say that. You do great work.
And remember to end with, thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time. Nice and polite.
Congratulations, David. You got the job.
Yay! I am so happy.
Now you are at the office. You meet your new colleagues.
Colleagues?
That means work friends.
Oh, hello, my work friends.
Good. Every morning, say good morning and smile.
Good morning, Sarah. Good morning, Anna.
Very nice. It's polite and friendly.
Okay, but what if I have a problem?
Like what?
My computer is sleeping. It's not working.
Oh no. Then you ask politely, excuse me, can you help me please?
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Yes. And when they help, say thank you.
Please and thank you. The two magic words.
Exactly.
What about the boss?
The same. Be polite. Say, good morning, Mr. Brown.
Or good morning, Miss Davis?
Perfect. Use their last name. It's professional.
Okay. Good morning, boss.
That works too, but only if your boss is friendly. Now let's talk about small talk.
Small talk. Talking about small things.
Yes, like the weather, the weekends, or coffee.
Coffee, my favorite topic.
For example, nice weather today.
Yes, it's sunny. I like it.
Perfect. It makes work friendly and fun.
Okay, the day is finished. What do I say?
You can say goodbye or see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Anna.
See you tomorrow, David.
And maybe don't forget my coffee. Haha.
Always coffee with you.
Wow, today I learned so much.
Let's review. What did we learn today?
Number 1, practice before the interview.
Yes,
Number 2, smile and be polite.
correct.
Number 3, use the magic words, please and thank you.
Very good.
And number 4, always have coffee.
Optional, but yes, it helps. That's all for today's lesson, everyone.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Practice Channel.
If you liked this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what is your job? Or what is your dream job?
Mine is to travel and eat food.
Mine is to taste pizza every day.
The pizza taster.
Manager David, the pizza taster.
We love reading your comments, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye, David.
Bye, everyone.